After discussing the concept of motivation, let's see the features of motivation. So, dear students, what is motivation? Motivation is an inner state of human being. It is an internal feelings, the urge, drives, desires, aspiration, striving, or needs of human being, which are internal influence human behavior. For example, people may have the urge or desire for possessing a motorbike, comfortable house, reputation in the society. These urges are internal to an individual and these are their motives which make an individual to work hard if they are expected to achieve these in future. Now let's see its features. So features of motivation: number 1, psychological phenomenon. So motivation is an internal feeling, which means it cannot be forced on employees. The internal feelings such as need, desire, aspiration, etc. influence human behavior to behave in a particular manner. In order to convince them, willingness should be ignite in them to achieve an organizational goal. So this process is called motivation. Number 2, goal directed behavior. So motivation produces goal directed behavior. It induces people to behave in such a manner so that they can achieve their goals. These motives, for achieving these motives, he strives to work hard. A motivated person always works towards the achievement of desired goals. Next one is motivation can be either positive or negative. Positive motivation means inspiring people to work better and appreciating a work that is well done, and increasing salary. So by increasing salary, giving promotion, giving non-monetary incentives like praising or recognizing their position, these are positive motivation. Positive motivation provides positive rewards. Alright. Negative motivation uses negative means like punishment, stopping increment, threatening, etc., which also may induce a person to act in a desired way. But positive motivation is preferred over negative motivation. The effectiveness of positive motivation is higher than negative motivation, because negative motivation sometimes may lead to increase turnover ratio of employee. It may reduce the stability ratio of the employees. Alright. Number 4, complex process. Motivation is a complex process as the individuals are heterogeneous in their expectations, perceptions and reaction. Every individual is unique in his behavior. Everybody has different attitudes, views, opinions. So they differ in nature. So it is a complex and difficult process because individuals differ in their needs and wants, and moreover human needs change time to time. So it's very difficult to motivate a person. First of all, we need to analyze their perception, their outlook, their attitude before starting the process of motivation. Alright. Next one is motivation is a continuous process. As human needs are unlimited and resources are limited, so they keep on changing continuously. Satisfaction of one need give rise to another need. As soon as one need is satisfied, another need arises. So, managers need to motivate people on continuous basis. All right.